Welcome to Help Screen. And if you want to enable the microphone on your Android, first thing is just simply go ahead and go to the settings. So you could go over here by also going to the notification bar, and you should be able to see the gear icon. Now, here, once you are on the settings, you could just simply go ahead and use the search bar over here, or the search icon, I mean. And now from here, just simply search for permission. Now here, just simply select permission manager, and you should be able to see here, guys, microphone. So tap on the microphone over here. As you can see, I have 35 applications and only 16 of the applications is turned on. So just simply go ahead and scroll down, and you should be able to see here denied category. So just simply select the application that you are having problems with, and let's say I have problems on the microphone when it comes to CapCut. I'm gonna tap on it and select allow, and from here you should be able to put it on the enabled or allowed tab, and you won't have any problems on that specific application. So pretty much over here you could have a control access of your microphone. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like and subscribe to my channel to help me out. Thanks for watching.